Assalamoalikum students, I hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to solve exercise number 1.2 question number 1. So in this question what we have to do, from the following matrices, identify unit matrices, row matrices, column matrices and null matrices. First of all, I will tell you what do we mean by unit matrices, row matrices, column matrices and null matrices. By unit matrices, we mean that all the diagonal values, diagonal elements will be equal to 1. This will be called unit matrix or identity matrix. Okay, we can have a matrix with only one element, but it has to be 1 equal to 1. Or if we have more than two elements or more than one elements, then all the diagonal elements will be equal to 1, like this or this. Okay, so these all matrices are the examples of unit matrices. Unit matrices are also called identity matrices. Then row matrices. It is very obvious from the name, row matrix. So in row matrix, we will have only one row. Okay, one row. The matrix which contains only one row of elements, it will be called row matrix. Row matrix. For column matrix. For column matrix, we will have only one column. Okay, only one column of elements in the matrix will be called column matrix. And for null matrix, what do we have? We have all the elements equal to 0. Okay, doesn't matter how many elements are in the matrix, but they all need to be equal to 0, whether it is one element or 1000 elements, but they all need to be equal to 0. Okay, so this was the explanation of the type of matrices which are defined here. And now we come to the main question, that is to identify the following matrices. Okay, we have to mark them. So the first matrix is 0, 0, 0. So this matrix, from these matrices we have to, is it unit matrix? No, it is not. The diagonal elements are not equal to 1. Is it row matrix? No, it is not row matrix. Why? Because it has two rows. In row matrix we should have only one row. Column, no, it is not column matrix. Why? Because it has two columns. The last option is null matrix. Is it null matrix? Yes, it is null matrix. Why? Because all the elements of this matrix A are equal to 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is matrix A is null matrix. Now come to the second one. That is B. B is equal to 2, 3, 4. We have 3 elements, but only one row and 3 columns. It is only one row. In this matrix, we have only one row. So this is clearly defined as row matrix. Okay, so this is row matrix. Now for matrix C. In C matrix, we have 3 elements, but only one column. One column mentions that it is column matrix. So we will write C here for column matrix. Then for D, matrix D. In matrix D, what is obvious? Diagonal elements. Diagonal elements are equal to 1. So this is unit or identity matrix. U or I. Unit or identity matrix. Then matrix E. In matrix E, we have only one element, but it is equal to 0. So this is null matrix. Okay, this is null matrix. For matrix F, we have only one column and 3 rows. 3 rows, but one column. So this is the sign of column matrix. In column matrix, what do we have? We have only one row. Sorry, one column. So that is why F matrix is defined as column matrix. Okay. So this was today's question which we had to solve. I have solved it for you. I have tried my best to do the best for you people so that you can understand it in most simplest way. So if you like my video and you have understood the whole lecture, kindly like and subscribe to Maths Charm. And still, if you have any confusion or query, you can comment and tell me in the comment section about your problems or issues. I will solve them out for you. Okay. Thank you so much.